show you the recipe of chicken cheese dosa. So let's start. So the ingredients of my recipe are some chicken pieces, dosa batter, oil, onion, chilies, coriander leaves and tomatoes which are finely chopped, 2 eggs, some cheese slices, spices which are cinnamon stick, cardamom pods and some cloves. With that, salt, ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, red chili powder, garam masala and coriander powder. So let's start. Now take a pot and boil some water in it and add some cinnamon sticks. With that, some cloves and some cardamom pods. Then add salt half tablespoon. Then add the chicken pieces. I added the chicken pieces and now we are going to mix it properly and cover it with a lid and cook it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, my chicken is soft and now I am going to transfer it into a plate. I transferred all the chicken pieces into this plate and I cut it into small pieces. And now we are going to go to the stuffing process. Now take a pan and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil in it. Then add some chilies which are chopped. With that, some onions which are finely chopped. Mix it and cook the onions until they are golden brown. The onions are golden brown and now I am going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix them and cook the ginger garlic paste for 2 to 3 minutes. The ginger garlic paste has cooked and now I am going to add different types of spices. So first, salt as per taste, red chili powder as per taste, turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, garam masala half tablespoon and coriander powder half tablespoon. Mix them all well and let the spices cook. The spices have cooked and now I am going to add some tomatoes which are finely chopped. Mix it well and cook it until the oil separates. The oil has separated and now I am going to add the chopped chicken pieces in it. Mix it and coat the chicken pieces properly. I mix it properly and now I am going to add some chopped coriander leaves. Mix it and cover it with a lid and cook it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the stuffing is ready and now we are going to go to the dosa making process. Now take a dosa pan and spread some oil on it. I spread the oil and now I am going to add the dosa batter on it. Spread it well. I spread it properly and now we are going to cook it for 1 to 2 minutes. After 1 to 2 minutes, I am going to add an egg on it. Spread it well. I spread the egg and now we are going to cook it for 1 to 2 minutes. After 1 to 2 minutes, I am going to flip the dosa and cook the other side for 1 to 2 minutes. The dosa's both sides have cooked and now I am going to add the stuffing in it. I spread up the stuffing and now I am going to add some cheese slices on it. I added the cheese slices and now I am going to fold it into half and cook it until the cheese melts. The cheese has melted and now I am going to transfer it into a plate. I transferred it into this plate. So as you can see, it looks so cheesy. So this is my delicious and tasty chicken cheese dosa recipe. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.